Breaking news, the best side hustle, the new flip, is on flash sale right now for just $138. Don't delay around or it's going to be gone. I only have a few amount that I'm willing to let go for this price. It retails for $1,500. When you get the course for only $138, you also get free coaching. That means that I'll answer every and all your questions regarding the bicycle flip on our Facebook groups. Plus there are other members there that'll help you answer all your questions so you can win. Okay, so what is the new flip? Well, it's the best side hustle that I have created that allows any hungry individual that has $100 to be able to hustle and turn that $100 to thousands of dollars in a matter of weeks or month. Okay, remember, I will answer every and all your question. This is a copy and paste system. All you got to do is just follow the instructions in the course, copy and paste, and give offers, and I have $100 and a cell phone or internet access. Okay. The new flip is revolutionary because your startup capital is very, very little. All you need is $100. Plus, it teaches you about seller financing. It teaches you about finding real estate deals at a deep discount. Now, the new flip is not about real estate, but it teaches you how to find hot deals at a deep discount once you graduate the new flip. Because the new flip is a prerequisite if you want to get into the real estate game and want to win and want to have success versus getting into debt versus losing money. The reason I created a new flip is to allow my students to be able to stack their cheese. What that means is for them to make money and create a savings so they don't have to use credit cards, they don't have to borrow money from a hard money lender to get into the real estate game. Plus, I wanted my students to learn all the skills required, like marketing, like sales, like filtering, like negotiation, like systems, like copy and paste automations. So when they graduate flipping bicycles, they're really ready to get into the real estate games because not only have they stacked up their cheese, stacked up their paper, but they also learn all the skills required to finding hot deals at a deep discount and creating a win-win situation. That's what that new flip teaches you. Right now you can get it for just $138. It's revolutionary, and I'll stand over your shoulder, answer all your questions when you download my self-help book, because I want you to win. I love whenever you win. It makes me happy whenever you win. It makes me feel so good when you're your dreams. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you imagine. Don't wait around. The sale's going to go off very, very soon. Peace. Oh, don't forget, go check it out at myrealestatedojo.com or thenewflip.com. Peace.